Hi guys, welcome to my channel A Happier Me. In today's video I want to show you how I have decorated my house for Christmas. So this is my stairway and I have put this Santa Claus on the top of my stairs, and as you can see the entire staircase is decorated by this garland, and I put a wreath over here. And then we're gonna go down and see the corridor, and this is the hallway, and I have a sign that says joy. I have I'm hanging a Christmas bells here, and this is the entrance to my living room. And over here I have decorated this entire panel with Christmas decors, such as we have these poinsettia flowers, and then there's this letters to Santa mailbox. We have elf on the shelf and this cute Santa Claus. And this is another view of the staircase. So let's go inside the living room, and I will show you how I have decorated my couch with Christmas themed pillows. And this is our coffee table, and here is the centerpiece for coffee table. And you can see that this entire room has three colors: white, red and green. And this is the centerpiece for the coffee table with Christmas candles. And this is my most favorite part of the room. This is the fireplace, and I have decorated it like this. We have these Christmas village theme. We have reindeer, we have Christmas trees, and these little houses. And I have used a lot of this white cotton to create this snow effect. I think it looks absolutely gorgeous with these reindeers, houses and snow covered Christmas trees. And this is my Christmas tree, and I will show you how I've decorated it. So my kids put all the ornaments on the tree, and this was completely their project. So on the side of my couch we have this side table, and I also added Christmas flowers in my vase. And here we have these snowflakes hanging from our floor lamp, and I think it adds this cute festive decor. And this is my dining area. You can see on the walls we have the Christmas art work, and this is the centerpiece for the table, and it has candles and this cute vase. And here is the tree that I decorated with red ribbon, and I absolutely love it. So this whole living room and dining room feels very festive. I have tried to incorporate all the Christmas colors. Let me know in the comments what do you guys think about the decoration. Now I will show you how I have decorated parts of my kitchen. So this is my oven, and I have the red mittens as well as some hand towels. Here we have this hot cocoa bar with the Christmas coffee mug, a kettle with some decoration as well as hot cocoa. And this is another corner by my window. It has this Christmas countdown sign as well as some other decoration. And I'm just doing the last finishing touch to my family room area. And here I'm just putting these string lights. They're battery operated, and I'm just covering my entire bookcase with these lights. And I'll also show you how I have some other Christmas decoration on the top shelf of the bookshelf. So my daughter loves putting all those plushies. So we have this baby Yoda and a Santa Claus clothing, as well as some other decorations. So here on the top you can see there is a lot of snow, again created using lots of cotton. And then we have Christmas trees and cute reindeers, pine cones, etc., to give this entire place a very cute look. And we have this letters to Santa mailbox also. And there is this green garland covering all the borders. So this is on my bookshelf. This is how I've decorated it. So this is one last look of my living room, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video as much as I have enjoyed creating this beautiful holiday haven for our family. Let me know in the comments what's your favorite part, and I will see you with my next one. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate it. Happy holidays and a Merry Christmas.